carries.
What is worm?
I dey see you, the waka. Worms are parasites.
Okay.
Worms, they live off our leftover. They live off waste, leftovers in our body.
What's in the leftover?
The food you eat in the night, especially
Make
late
question.
at night.
Make I no ask question. Make if I talk, make I dey laugh.
The food you eat late in the night. See why they say you should not eat late. Most people are taking this word for granted. You are not supposed to eat late in the night because that time you are eating your late night food, it will take time before it digests. But when it stays like that in your tummy, it will just stay there and ferment. To stay there, it will not digest, it will ferment. Those are the kind of things that worms. Okay, take for instance now, if you put food now that is spoiled here, what will happen next? We fly from nowhere, just come and perch on it. That is how worms are. If you put sugar here, before you know, sugar ants will come. If you put honey here, bee, original honey, not this sugar process. If you put original honey here now, bee from nowhere will come there. So that is how worms are. When somebody is complaining, when a person is having problem with the stomach because of one or two wrong combination of food, some of us, the way we combine this our diet is terrible. Somebody can just finish drinking garin now, and then later 2-3 minutes the person will eat rice and then drink coke. Do you understand? All those things too can lead to food poisoning. It's not all your stomach that can digest such kind of food.
Enjoyment.
You see that when they start purging, they start having stomach pain here and there. They go to the hospital, doctor will say you are suffering from food poisoning. The ones that are illiterate will start shouting. My enemies have done it again. They don't poison me. From where? Is it this person? But food poisoning is actually that your wrong
Combination of food.
Worms can live in your scalp. That's how bad worms are. They can live in a person's hair, person's scalp. They will eat up the hair and leave that person bald. You see some of them that are carrying bald hair, some of them is due to worms. After 3 months, you should try and deworm yourself. After 3 months, you try and deworm yourself. These days we don't have, it's not like the olden days when somebody want to deworm. After taking the worm medicine, you remove the worm like that or you shoot ordinary worm. But now they have improved. If you take worm medicine, it will pieces the worm will come out. And how to know for little children? You find out that when that child is sleeping and the child continually drools, as the child sleeps like this, spit. Do you understand? Spit is coming out from the child's mouth, or any little thing the child eats. Small child will go and throw. Anything the child eats, vomit. Anything the child eats, vomit. The child is not suffering from malaria. The child does not have typhoid. The child is not running temperature. Then she's trying to deworm that child. With this our product, this product is enough to deworm you because it will not allow those fermented foods in your body. It will not allow your sugar fermented food. It will not allow anything like anything that will bring about worm. It won't allow it to stay. This is pure detoxification. You will stool out everything. Do you understand? Somebody that is suffering from worms will always want to eat. After eating one, after 1 hour, you are hungry again. You've eaten, you keep on feeling hungry, you are not fed. You should try and deworm if you have not dewormed. It's also good for women that are trying to conceive. You have your client, the client is trying to conceive. Advise her to go and deworm. advise that person to go and deworm, because if you have worms in your body, it will not allow the vitamins in you, it will not allow the minerals in you to digest. So you see the person will just be drying up, the person will just be drying up, growing slim and slim and slim every day. Just ask that person, when last did you deworm? If the person is constantly deworming, then maybe the person is not feeding well or any other factor can cause it. But try and deworm. Deworming will help your vitamins, your minerals to digest properly. And there are different ways you can get worm. Walking barefooted in a dirty area, or you are rearing animals, all these people that rear poultry animals, dogs, all of them. If you have anything to do with all those, anyone that those ones, they have worms. They usually have worms, because how many times will you bathe the cow? How many times will you bathe fowl? How many times will you bathe dog? So you see that those ones, they are prone to worms. And if you touch them when they are infested with worms, definitely you have worms to grow inside of you. You can also have worms when you kiss somebody that has worms in his or her mouth. You have worms too. So try and deworm. Deworm, so that your food, any food you are eating, your body will absorb it normally and you'll be growing healthy. Multi-stream,
Bring them, do it.
multi-stream,
Our wings to fly.
our wings to fly.
Multi-stream.
Worms also grow in the vagina. Yes,
That was error.
worms grow in the vagina. Worms grow in the prostate. Yes, worms grow in the prostate. Worms grow in the vagina.
Error.
So you see, those that are having candidiasis, yeast infection, Aedes, staphylococcus, if you leave it there untreated, worms will come there and be licking it.
Hey.
These ones I'm telling you about are ones that are not visible with the naked eyes. It's not you start seeing one long worm licking your private part. But you see those worms that are invisible, they are doing a lot of damage to your body. Like I was telling you the other day, that woman that I checked, and I found everything about. I even checked one lady recently too, and she was gisting me. I checked her everything, PID, no infection, vagina, no infection, cervix, no infection, everything about her down there was clean. Do you understand? I'm not saying if you have, the area is dirty enough for somebody to have infection. So if anybody have infection, it's not something new. The ones that don't have it could be from their gene or
Lifestyle.
healthy practice, good lifestyle. So this particular lady, after checking her, said, everything down below is clean. How far? What are you doing? She said that after her menses or so, she would use hot water or warm water rather, clean the place off. Then later she will mix clove. You know clove, I know clove is antibiotic. She mix clove and then use it. You know, some of all these things, it's not like I don't encourage it, but you see, the vagina has its natural bacteria. That is why you're advised to wash with only water. The vagina have natural bacteria there that cleanses you. It cleanses itself. It doesn't need soap. It has, you see this vagina, it has its own pH. Its pH is 3 points. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. It has its own pH. Before, like if a sperm wants to go inside there now, the way God made it, it will become alkaline in nature. It will increase, the alkaline nature of the vagina will increase, because if it does not increase, the sperm will not be able to survive that environment. So anybody that the vagina is acidic in nature, sperm will not stay there, it will die. Me and you are supposed to be alkaline. I checked some people's, if your pH indicator is showing that it is alkaline in nature, you will not be prone to diseases and infections. You know that if you check internet, you see all these people that sell cups. They say alkaline cups and the rest of it to help to balance the alkaline nature of your body. The reason you will fall sick, you're always falling sick, is because your pH is acidic. 1 to 7, you know, is acidic. So if your pH indicator is acidic, you should look for a way to make it alkaline. And in making it alkaline, you change your lifestyle. Both dieting, exercising, sleeping, and the rest of it. And this other way of buying all these ionic cups, jugs, and the likes. So if your body is alkaline in nature, you will not be falling sick anyhow. You will not be falling sick anyhow. The sperm only survives in an alkaline nature. So for those women that their vagina is acidic in nature, as the sperm reach there like that, it will die. There is no time anything acidic is good. There is no time anything acidic is good. It's just like ulcer now. If the stomach, the stomach lining, if it is acidic in nature, that is when you start feeling pain. That's what people are suffering from ulcer. Anything you take that makes you that increases the acidity in the stomach, you find out that the person will start groaning in pain. So to keep your body alkaline in nature, as I tell people, they already know it, but it's to live that lifestyle that is the problem. Don't take alcohol. Alcohol in no way is good. There is no time alcohol is good. Welcome.
Okay, good morning. Good morning.